Aloha, welcome to another geometry video. Today we're going to learn about area of trapezoid. When we're thinking about trapezoid, it's always a common shape as this one has two legs and two congruent base angles. And also we have a base 1 and base 2. Those bases are often parallel. Then the medium is a line in the middle. Also parallel with base 1 and base 2. The right line is our altitude and also can be using as height. The area formula is m times h. The m is stand for medium, the h stand for height. How to find out this medium? We learned this before. We're using base 1 plus base 2, which is the average of bases. Then you divide by 2, okay? So in this case, base 1 is 10, base 2 is 18. 10 plus 18 divided by 2 equals 14. Then we can plug in into this formula. 14 times 12, which is 168. The measurement unit is square inches. It's part of the answer. You must give answer with the measurement unit. This shape is a little bit different. As we can see, it's a right angle. We call them right trapezoid. We still have to locate which one is our base 1, which one is our base 2, what is our height, okay? So this one, the right line, is our height, which is the same as this line right here. Now, don't misunderstand this part. 8 and 10, even they sit this way, they are not your bases. Remember, base must be parallel. So it's 5 and 11. Those two will be your bases. Now plug in to our formula how to solve in medium. We're using base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2, which is 11 plus 5 divided by 2 is 8. Now we plug into our area formula, m times h, medium times height, which is 8 times 8. The answer is 64. All right. What if I don't give you base 2? How can you solve it? We still found out this right line as our altitude. And also this right line, it is congruent with this 8. Okay. Now we look like a rectangle presented to you. 5, 8, 5, and 8. Now, as soon as we found out what is this portion, which belongs to this triangle, as soon as we found out x, then we can find out our second baseline. So we can using the information before, it's called the Pythagorean theorem, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. As we can see, this long leg is facing the 90 degree, which is a hypotenuse. Then the other one, you can using a and b. So we go ahead and plug them in. X squared plus a squared equals 10 squared. Then we can solve in x squared equals 100 minus 64 is 36. We put a radical over, radical sign, which is cancel out this square. X equals radical 36, which is x equals 6. Now we can plug in x equals 6 into this x. So 6 plus 5 is 11. Now we plug them in into medium formula, which is base 1, 5, plus base 2, 11. Then divided by 2, which is our medium. Then we're using the formula for trapezoid, which is a medium times height, which is 8 times 8. The answer is 64. All right, that will conclude this video. If you have any question, please send me an email. I will see you on the next video. Stay tuned.